we could have a look at the series. So if we just draw an imaginary line for the at zero level, then you see that there are a few occasions where the butterfly was, so this is a 25 delta butterfly, was 0 or even negative. So here is another picture of the ratio. So on this picture we look in particular at the digital Vega data. So here we have some intraday series of quotes. This is euro-dollar at the money vaults, nothing fancy. And okay, just to warn you that between 9 p.m. and 9 a.m. there was no data. That's why you see that this is just a straight line connection between the points. But what we want to show here is that the market uses certain conventions when quoting volatilities. And as you can see, the overnight, so this blue line below, the overnight declines during this day. But other quotes remain more or less on the same level. This happens because basically the quotation of the overnight volatility assumes that we always have the whole 24-hour day until the expiry, which is not really the case. Depending on the remaining trading time until the expiry, the volatility, the total variance obviously reduces, and this has to be.
So you translate a shorter time into a smaller volatility. Yeah, the only way to practically do it, and then it looks like actually the vols are going down, but they're not really going down. It's just a time effect.
For MF library, basically we are analyzing the same set of data providers, starting from Talet, and well, we will in this seminar we will just touch the Talet and the digital Vega data, and go through a few examples, especially looking at the aspects of arbitrage checks and also the quality of calibration in terms of robustness, stability, and smoothness. Of the surface to be able to have a good, well-shaped local volatility surface for the exotic pricing. So let's start with the concept of calendar arbitrage, and let's pick up the very first currency pair, Aussie dollar yen. Okay, maybe so this delta volatility space is the standard way for FX traders to look at the vol surface. However, in order to check arbitrage possibilities, it's better to look at the variance in terms of log Manin's plot. And this setting basically finds analytically the intersection point between two slices and try to adjust the corresponding asymptotic behavior of the SVI variance such that it does not intersect the curve, the other slices. And it is done in this certain region. So this region can be specified from outside by a trader if they wish to trade within a certain region and they are not interested in deltas of 0.001%. So then they can be, these regions can be defined, and then we can look for the calendar arbitrage possibilities within this range.
Say that SPI is just so much better, right? And it's like the modern and state-of-the-art thing to do, but it also has its problems, right? So going back to Reuters, that statement when we're doing this now, but whenever it's done like that, it needs careful consideration.